Hi everyone. This is a quick demonstration that shows you the logic of how you would determine total manufacturing costs in a job environment. The problem appears in white within the green block. Win-free companies at March 31st have inventory of raw materials of $150,000. Now, they have purchases in April of $400,000 and factory payroll cost in April is $220,000. The overhead costs incurred in April also appear in that green block, and I won't read all those dollar amounts. I think you can see them just fine. Okay, now you also see the problem in the solution in front of you. The solution appears in yellow. Now, the problem gives you the information in white, and you need to compute the total costs. So, what's the logic involved here? And let me explain that. You're given the direct materials, the direct labor, and the overhead. So, all you really have to do is add in add in the material, labor, and overhead to compute the beginning goods in process, right? So, we can compute the $41,000 for job 306. The $42,000 for job 307, and 308 isn't even started. Okay, then we have some information presented in white for April. We're given the dollar amounts that were involved in the job from direct materials. We're given the dollar amounts from labor, and you need to apply the overhead. Well, up here we determined that a predetermined overhead rate is equal to 50% of direct labor costs. So to come up with these numbers, all you have to do is multiply the direct labor that's given in the problem times 50% and drop those in. With that information, you can determine the total cost added to April. Now, for jobs 306 and 307 that were already started for March, to compute the total cost, we simply need to add in the cost that we already had accumulated from March, plus what we added in April, plus overhead, which is being applied on a predetermined basis, right? So we add the 41 to the 145 and compute the ending. Now, in job 308, we also would add in costs that didn't have any beginning inventory. Anything started in March. It was started in April, and we can compute the total cost incurred on job 308. Okay, that's a real brief demonstration of what logic is involved in calculating total manufacturing costs and how we assign costs to each job in a job order costing environment. Thank you.